Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers a high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger. Eyes on the target, because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem-solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, where we invest in shaping the future of the healthcare industry, with competent clinical instructors that guarantee students to obtain the best possible hands-on instruction, with multiple private and public linkages, along with community-based programs that further elevate our students' learning experience. Our institution provides immersive laboratories, AI-powered patient models to innovate learning environments to help the students to gain hands-on experience with the current technology. Be part of us as we go on a quest to build a healthier future while unlocking your full potential here at Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences.
To empower the next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the engineering profession. We want you not just to be job ready, but innovation ready. Be an empowered NCM engineer. Enroll now.
Here at NCF, you can build a salient foundation for your career.
Our department can offer you the best academic journey.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies. College of Arts and Sciences. College of Teacher Education. College of Accountancy and Finance. College of Business and Management. College of Engineering. College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality.
Bicol, we are now on our knockout game for our finals of men's volleyball. It is Bicol University versus University of Nueva Cáceres Greyhounds. This is the much anticipated final game for our men's volleyball. Kasama po niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators. I am Cristina Canzo Reyes, and with me is Rick Puerta para maghatid po sa inyo ng napaka-intense at napakagandang laban ngayong hapon na ito.
Ayan, nagbabalik ulit tayo dito sa loob ng NCF covered court sa nabanggit mo nga ditong knockout finals match between BU Wolves and UNC Greyhounds. So another match to watch para dito sa hapon na ito. Sino ba ang mag-uuwi ng kampyonato dito sa Bucal Season 6? Yan ang aabangan natin at nakalive tayo sa ating media partner. We have Jen ng TV48 Naga o Ragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampyon.
Kaya naman, Rick, yung mga fans ng ating UNC Greyhounds and PU Wolves siguradong handang-handa na silang mag-cheer sa kanilang mga kupunan dahil for the first time maghaharap po sa finals ng BU at UNC. Kaya naman talagang bigay todo itong ating dalawang kupunan dito. Kaya naman ngayon, Rick, ano kaya ang gagawin ng ating dalawang kupunan para makuha ang kampyonato sa isang laban na ito?
Ayan, let's see kung kanino maganda ang kapalaran this afternoon. So again, this matchup is the final matchup for our men's division. So again, BU Wolves versus UNC Greyhounds. Pag-usapan naman natin, Tina, ang ating dalawang kupunan. When it comes to Bicol University Wolves, maraming umalas na seniors on their side. But again, meron dito mga baguhan na nagpapakilala para dito sa ating liga. And starting from their very first match up until that semifinals match against the NCF Tigers, nakita natin dito na maraming players ang nag-step up on the side of BU Wolves. So I'm so excited kung ano pa ang ipapakita ditong performance sa kanilang kupunan. And dumako naman tayo din sa ating UNC Greyhounds.
Dito naman sa ating side ng UNC Greyhounds, talagang napakaganda ng kanilang performance dito sa dalawang kupunang ito. Kaya naman para makarinig tayo ng update on the side of UNC Greyhounds, talagang inaabangan na nitong mga fans natin itong laban ng dalawang kupunan na ito sa ating finals. And to hear an update, andyan na po ang ating courtside reporter na si Zay. Hi Zay, anong update sa side ng Greyhounds?
Courtside glow and a game day flow. A high-flying afternoon, Rickenton, at a high-flying afternoon din sa ating viewers here on Bucal's official Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV. This is your courtside reporter, Shulamar Zay Meñano, giving you the freshest updates from the side of University of Nueva Cáceres. At eto na nga ang pinakamainit na laban ngayong araw, sumasabay sa init ng panahon. Two of the strongest universities here in Bicol competing for the throne. The UNC Greyhounds versus the BU Wolves. Let's do a quick backgrounder lang sa ating dalawang teams. BU recently won their tickets to the finals last Sunday against the defending champions, the NCF Tigers, while the UNC managed to win their ticket with grace against the Bicol Spartans. Kaya grabing bakbakan ang magaganap at matutukayan natin ngayon with their synchronized movements and powerful FX. We better hold on to our seats because this is the game of the season. Sa ating viewers naman, comment your bets with the hashtag Bucal Season 6 at sabay-sabay natin tuklasan ang isa sa pinakamalaking laban ngayong araw. This is Shalomar Simoniano from the side of the Greyhounds, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Marami pa akong report in just a while. Kaya naman, Rick and Tin, sino sa tingin nyo ang mag-uwi ng kampyonado ngayong araw?
And thank you so much, Azay, for that update. So yun nga, UNC Greyhounds, they are ready, they are equipped para dito sa araw na ito. Because again, ito na yung chance nila para makuha yung title dito sa Bucal Season 6. So let's see kung magagawa ba dito ng UNC Greyhounds yung mga ginawa nila during their trainings. And of course, their plays na talaga namang magpapahirap on the other side of things. Now, let's see naman sa side ng B-Wolves kung ano ang kanilang pinaghandaan na makakaharap nila dito ang UNC Greyhounds. To know more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter, April. Hi, April. Anong balita dyan?
Maraming salamat, Rick and Tino. We are now on the finals of Bucal Men's Volleyball Liga Season 6 live here on Oragon Sports TV. After defeating last year's champion, NCF Tigers, with a very impressive play, the Tigers back here for another battle between UNC to finally clinch the most awaited title. This will be your courtside reporter, April Berano Campo, and I will report to you updates from the bench of BU Wolves. According kay Coach Gladys Ocrida, they are really happy to be here dahil finally Butterfall Championship na. Kaya naman tatrabuhin nila to finally get that title. Mula Albay hanggang Naga pabalik, they will make all the sacrifices worth it. Their strength will definitely pave the way. Sabay init ng panahon ay ang tensyon between the Wolves and the Greyhounds. Kaya the question is, who will be able to be the new champion? Keep being updated and keep watching us live here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, April. Ayan nga, ang PU Wolves. They need to do their best right now at talagang bibigay nila lahat ng kailangan nila dito kasi isa lamang na laro ang kailangan nila dito. It is the knockout game of our finals of our men's volleyball between the UNC Greyhounds and the BU Wolves. At sa ating pagbabalik po, it will be our final San Juan only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
are back for the knockout game. Isang laban lamang po para sa finals ng ating men's volleyball. It is UNC Greyhounds versus PU Wolves. And now this is our starting lineup on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Talagang kaabang-abang with a set of players of UNC Greyhounds. Batikan, maganda yung performance from the last season of Bucal dun sa kanilang finals appearance against NCF Tigers. At ngayon, muli nilang kukunin ang kampyonato. But this time, magwawagi ba sila sa bagong kalaban nila ngayon, which is the Bicol University Wolves. Now, nasabi mo nga kanina, Rick, there are some changes on the side of players here. Yung mga dating nakita natin, napanood natin, wala na ngayon. But at the same time, maganda pa rin yung performance na pinapakita dito ng BU Wolves. Of course, andyan pa rin sila Imperial. We also have their liberos. And then Dodds and the rest of the players here. We also have Alzaga on that side. Dito sa side ng BU Wolves. Kaya isang exciting na laban po dahil meron lamang silang isang pagkakataon, siguradong ibubuhos na lahat ng dalawang kupunan na ito para maiuwi ang panalo ngayong hapon na ito. We will be naming the new champion of Bucal Season 6.
Now on your screen, naipakilala na nga dito ang first six for both teams now. Who will draw the first blood para dito sa ating finals match between Greyhounds and Wolves.
And of course, we can hear the cheerings here inside the NCF covered court. Kahit malayo naman yung fans ng BU Wolves, meron pa rin andito nakasuporta sa atin live sa ating venue. And of course, sa ating live coverage sa GNN and Oragon Sports TV. Kaya mag-shoutout po tayo maya-maya lamang. But we are going to start our set number 1. And Alzaga now, or Omperio, serve.
1-2 play, andun si Nerva. Free ball will be given on the side of Greyhounds. Miscommunication para dito sa Greyhounds. First point will go on the side of BU Wolves.
Now at this point of time, since this is the finals, I think less error yung makikita natin ngayon dito sa dalawang kupunan natin. Now, BU Wolves. Proa, babawi on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
What a great shot. Great attack coming from Proa on that last sequence. Alzaga will try. Ball is still alive though. And a free ball will be given on the side of Wolves. Operio. And wow, quick hit coming from Imperial. Let's take a look one more time. And quick hit coming from the boy on your screen.
Now, what a good start for BU Wolves. Talagang inihanda nila yung kanilang mga sarili for this final appearance.
And babawi din dito si Ampongan on the side of UNC Greyhound. So, expected na natin, Tina, maraming deadlocks dito, maraming long rallying mangyayari. That's why, sa mga nakatutok po sa atin ng live, talagang wag kukura para dito sa finals match between these two great teams.
Na nagsisimula pa lang pero ramdam na natin yung tension para dito sa dalawang kupunan. At puno man yung ating NCF covered court ng mga fans ng UNC Greyhounds, hindi papatalo yung fans ng BU Wolves. Now let's see here.
Kimpo setting up and net violation was called to Alzaga on that last sequence. Free point will be given on the side of Greyhounds.
Now this is an intense and close matchup for our set number 1. We're only starting but there's two teams talagang bigay todo para sa kanilang performance dito. Now, Proa to serve.
Good serve, Alamo. Guarded at the net. Ayan, kitang-kita sa ating replay. Ampongan and jersey number 3.
We really did expect this kind of game this afternoon between those two teams. And now UNC Greyhounds up by 2.
Combination play, ball still alive. Antonio with that down the line hit. Wow. Too strong on that down the line.
And that stare down of Antonio. Grabe. Sabi nila, UNC Greyhounds is still here to fight BU Wolves. Now, Proa once again to serve.
Back set to Alamo. Rejection at the net. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Alzaga will try. Andun si Proa. Ampongan will give up a free ball. Operio. Back set to Alamo. And this time, Alamo naman ang makakabawi. And speaking of Alamo, he is a former UNC player. That's why kilala niya itong nakakalaban niya at this moment.
Now he also has an advantage here because you know each player saw the UNC Greyhound. Now 5-3. Jersey number 20 to attack. Greyhounds! Grabe yung mga atake binibitawan nila dito. Nakahanapan ng butas on the side of PU Wolves.
3-point lead on the side of their team. Ampongan to serve. Operio, kanino ibibigay? Another combination play. Balasta successful in that.
Lumilipad itong si Balasta on that last sequence. Grabe. A lot of opportunities here for BU Wolves. Na gusto nilang maibaba yung kalamangan na hawak ngayon ng UNC Greyhounds.
Hampasan kung hampasan between these two teams. Now Balasta, or rather Alamo, on deck to serve. Antonio, too strong. And according to our line judge, outside yung attacking yon. And yun nga, according to our first referee, the point will be given on the side of Wolves.
Now with that error, gusto na lamang yung kailangan ng BU Wolves here to tie the game. Alamo.
Alamo setting up Balasta. Soft touch. No! Body gets that ball. Nakita yung butas tin on the side of Greyhounds. Look at this. Akala ata dito ng defenders on the side of Greyhounds malakas na atakang papakawalan dito ni Balasta. Smart move.
6-all. Na Greyhounds to attack. Antonio. Soft touch. One more time. Texon. And now, BU Wolves getting that lead against UNC Greyhounds. Buhay na buhay itong mga players ng BU Wolves right now. Sila yung bumubuhay ngayon sa kanilang kupunan dito.
Soft touch, great pancake. Ball is still alive though. And, wow, Antonio. Nagawan pa ng paraan yung broken play na yon on the side of Greyhounds. Antonio, with the help of the net, makakakuha ng puntos on the side of their team. Operio 1-2 play, andon si Kimpo. Antonio adjust on that set. Ball still alive. Operio to Balasta. And return to the center. Great net defense on the side of Greyhounds.
Now really, to serve here. 8-7. An intense matchup between these two teams.
Ball is still alive. And Rica Huerta. Napakagandang desisyon. Finding that corner on the side of BU Wolves. Libreng-libre yung zone 1. That's why Rica Huerta dinala doon ang bola on the side of their team. Back to 2 points ang kailangang trabuhin on the side of BU Wolves. Sharp serve this time. Free ball. Antonio receives that one. Rica Huerta back to Antonio. Great dig coming from the BU Wolves. The rally continues. Kimpo, Rica Huerta looking at the attacker, and Antonio, their team captain, successful on that powerful hit.
Now, napatawag na nga ng timeout ang Bicol University Wolves because as we can see right now, that's a 3-point lead of UNC Greyhounds. Kung kanina, nahahabol pa ng BU Wolves pero ginawa ng paraan ng Greyhounds. Malalakas na atake, hindi na kukuha nitong BU Wolves side. But after this timeout, as we all know, BU Wolves handang lumaban, hahabulan at hahabulan yung puntos na kinuha ng UNC Greyhounds. And here are some of the game highlights dito sa ating set number 1. Look how versatile the players of UNC Greyhounds and BU Wolves. We're only starting, but the fire is on between these two teams. Now 10-7 on our scoreboard. Really to serve. Soft touch on that one. Works for BU Wolves. And they're asking that it is outside, but the decision is final as that it is a point for BU Wolves. But Antonio talking to our first referee.
8 serving 10. Wow. These two teams ayaw mag-iwanan sa ating scoreboard. Bailey on deck to serve. Antonio denied at the net. Nabantayan naman dito ng BU itong si Antonio. Imperial and Operio. Tag team on that blocking. One more time for Bailey on the side of Wolves. Really, pipe attack. Successful on that hit.
Though UNC Greyhounds with that 2-point lead. Now Antonio serving.
One-two play. Nabantayan dito ni Proa. Proa on the attack.
Labas tila para dito kay Proa after that sequence. He was happy with that point conversion of UNC Greyhounds. Now, Greyhounds with an opportunity here to widen that gap. Pinawi.
Yes. Down the lane hit coming from Balasta this time. Back to 2-point lead on the side of UNC Greyhound. Now Balasta to serve.
Balasta, one of the consistent players here of BU Wolves.
Yes.
Dito sa ating set number 1. Maganda yung performance na pinapakita niya dito. Now, Pro at check.
Andon si Nerva. Alam mo, pipe attack. Great dig. Buhay pang bola. Rica Huerta back to Proa. And Proa naman ngayon with that soft touch.
Yes.
Wow. Proa. The variation of his attack.
Inulit niya lang ulit yung ginawa niya kanina. And it is still effective on that way.
Ricoberto with that error.
Mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang UNC Greyhounds. And even if nasa kanila yung 2 puntos na kalamangan, yung naging kalaban din dito ng UNC Greyhounds ay yung kanilang mga errors. So they need to lessen that one. And now as we continue the set number 1 and the intensity is still on, ano pa kayang gagawin itong 2 kupunan natin? Ano pa yung ipapakita nila? Because just like what we've said earlier, variety of plays yung pinapakita dito ng ating mga kupunan. And the fans are enjoying this final matchup of these both teams. And we really expect na ganito kainit, ganito kaganda, at ganito ka-intense yung magiging laban ng 2 kupunan na ito. Now, BU Wolves, 13-11 on our scoreboard.
Operi to serve. Rico Huerta, pipe attack Antonio, soft touch Nerva, setting up Alzaga. Ball is still alive, Proa. Wow! That cross-court hit was good on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Pro with that long attack. Again, napakaganda ngayon ng variation ng atake ni Pro on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Talagang nililito dito yung defense on the side of Wolves. And alam mo naman ngayon, through the block hit, 3-man blocker, hindi kayang i-block yung attacking yun ni Alamo. That's why another point conversion on their side. 14-12 is our score.
Now, can BU Wolves mabawasan pa kaya yung kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds? Now, ampongan, miscommunication on that side. A very crucial one para sa kanilang kupunan dito. Now, let's see. As BU Wolves, isa na lamang yung kanilang hinahabol dito. And they can tie up the game here for our set number 1. Pero it is Imperial with that very crucial error on the side of BU Wolves. Nabigyan pa nila ng opportunity dito yung UNC Greyhounds. Take advantage on that error. Now, Proa to serve.
It catches the line para dito kay Alzaga. Isang puntos ang kailangan ditong trabahuhin on the side of their team to tie this matchup.
Now, let's see, can BU Wolves can get that point.
Rico Huerta back set to Rile and Rile. Napakagandang atake din on the side of the UNC. Talagang ayaw nilang padikitan dito ang BU sa kanilang score. They really want to win this set number 1 against BU. Combination play. Rico Huerta back set to Rile. Setting error para dito kay Rico Huerta. So back to 1-point lead.
Nako, ganun pa rin ba mangyayari dito kay UNC Greyhounds? Get a point here at hindi hahayaan yung BU Wolves na maitay yung kanilang laro dito sa set number 1. And with that, we are tied on 16 all. BU Wolves, bumabalik na naman yung kanilang intensity dito at momentum. Now, consistency is what they need on the side of UNC Greyhounds.
Another great serve. Really adjust. Andun si Proa for that coverage. Antonio will give up a free ball. Alzaga gets that one. Operio to Balasta. And Balasta finding that corner pocket on the side of UNC Greyhounds. And with that attack, 1-point lead will go on the side of their team. The table has turned para dito sa ating set number 1. Let's see kung magiging consistent ang BU Wolves. Great dig coming from Proa. Now Antonio will try. Back-to-back error on their side. 2-point lead will go on the side of PU Wolves.
Now the table has turned as PU Wolves meron ng 2 puntos na kalamangan against UNC Greyhounds. Now, that point will go on to the side of PU Wolves as it is outside. Ngayon, yung mga fans dito sa loob ng NCF covered court ay nag-cheer na din sa side ng PU Wolves. 16-19, they are just 6 points away on getting the first set and to set the momentum para sa susunod na set.
Great hustle para kay Alamo, Balasta. Soft touch. Bantayan dito, Rica Huerta, back set to Rile. Denied at the net, in the middle, but net touch ang itatawag dito.
Yes, you can see the frustration sa mukha ni Texon because of that last sequence, an error na dapat hindi nangyari on the side of UNC Greyhounds dahil sila yung naghahabol ngayon. So at this point of time, BU Wolves, can they end it right now? Pero Antonio sabi niya hindi pa tapos because UNC Greyhounds babawi at babawi on this one.
Again, with that proper execution, proper setting, talagang makakakuha dito yung attackers on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Now, anong pang bawi? Napakabilis naman ang play na yon. Bailey with that quick hit. 21-17 is our score. Ayan, nabanggit mo nga kanina dito na talagang pababaan dito ng errors ang dapat gawin ng dalawang kupunan. And we know on this situation right now, BU talagang they're minimizing their error. Meanwhile, on the other side of things, UNC medyo scramble sa loob ng ating court. That's why nahihirapang mag-set up. Itong si Rica Huerta, great dig, bagong pasok para kay Espanya. Back-to-back great dig, this time Kimpo. And now Alamo gets that one. Operio, ibibigay kay Balasta. Grabe naman ang putuhan dito sa loob ng NCF covered court. Operio, combination play. And Balasta. Wow. The variation though on his attack. After that powerful cross-court hit, nagkaroon siya dito ng thinking na kailangang soft touch muna. And hindi dito nakuha ni Kimpo. Yung bolang yon, wow, BU Wolves is on fire para dito sa ating set number 1.
At maganda din yung pagpasok dito ni Espanya on the side of BU Wolves. And now,
pang-depensa team.
17-22, yung kaninang hawak na kalamangan ng UNC Greyhounds, ngayon nasa side na ng BU Wolves. It is a big 5-point lead.
Yes.
So right now, after this timeout, UNC Greyhounds needs to focus, needs to step up, less error on their side. Because as we can see, BU Wolves, kapag gusto nila, dire-diretsuhin nila itong set number 1 na to. Espanya again to serve.
Ang kailangan ditong gawin ng UNC is their stable first ball for them to create spaces. Look at that. Coming from beautiful first ball and beautiful setup, nagkakaroon sila dito ng point conversion. So that's why first ball is very important dito sa ating volleyball games.
Now, Antonio. Ball is still alive here, 18-22.
Good serve. Operio, unsuccessful on that 1-2 play. And this time, Antonio naman ang nagpakawala ng heavy serve on the side of Greyhounds.
Well, it's a good thing na nag-timeout dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon, nagawan ng paraan 2 puntos na sunod-sunod para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, let's see if magpapatuloy ba to Antonio. Now, beat to attack Balasta. Grabe. Power kung power para dito kay Balasta. Kanina pa siya doon sa kanyang malalakas na atake. Very consistent player of PU Wolves.
The elevation And the jump para dito kay Balasta. Talagang approach pa lang, alam mo nang makakapuntos. Another great serve and unfortunately an error on the side of Greyhounds. And with that error, BU Wolves is now at set point. 24-19 is our score.
Now Balasta serving. Isang puntos para sa kanilang kupunan to end this set. Proa to attack. And UNC Greyhounds, hindi pa papatapusin agad yung set na yan as Proa getting that check. 2024.
Never say die on the side of Greyhounds. Hanggang hindi pa nagta-2015, laban lang para dito sa ating finals match.
Now Rivero serving.
Operio. Great dig. Again, Espana doing great job on the defense and miscommunication na magtatapos din para sa ating first set. Sayang yon on the side of Greyhounds kasi naitaas pa sana. But again, point is a point. Set 1 will go on the side of Bicol University. We'll be right back for our second set only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be
And we are back for our second set of the matchup. Final matchup of BU Wolves and UNC Greyhounds, wherein BU Wolves ended that first set at sila nga po nakakuha niyan Now, for our second set, ano yung magiging paghahanda dito ng UNC Greyhounds knowing na merong laban pero nagkakatalo tayo sa mga errors na nakommit nila during that first set. And speaking of error, another one. Una para dito sa BU Wolves. So, bonus point for UNC Greyhounds. But also, let's commend the player of BU Wolves, most especially Balasta, which is very consistent from that first set na talagang siya yung nag-step up for the team of BU Wolves. Kaya naman ngayong second set, aabangan natin kung ganun pa rin yung ipapakita dito ni Balasta and the rest of the players of BU Wolves, because as we can see right now, from the very start, a good momentum of UNC Greyhounds has built 2-0 on our scoreboard here. So now, for our second set, ano yung gagawin dito ng BU Wolves to lessen that error? Now, Imperial, quick attack in the face! And Kimpo still okay after that. And to hear an update from the side of BU Wolves, nandiyan po ating courtside reporter na si April. Hi April, take it away. At babalikan po natin ang ating courtside reporter na si April. But as of this moment, nakuha na nga ng BU Wolves sa kanilang unang puntos dito. Now, jersey number 3. Now, babalikan po natin ang ating courtside reporter from the side of BU Wolves. April, take it away.
Rick and hello to our viewers who are seated but not relaxed as we witness a very intense first set. Dumepend ang Wolves kahit na unang lumamang ang Greyhounds. Those service ace was impressive and it was indeed called finals for a reason. So mga palo at sigaw, you can really say that this will be a remarkable. Kanina nga they will all just cheering for each other and to have a great coordination along this journey. Talagang pinakita nila that they can bounce back and showed their strength and how they can serve a win against the Greyhounds. Let's all watch intently because this will sure take your breath away. The Wolves will grow as the court as they fight for what they came for. Manatiling nakatutok live here on Sports TV, Liga, mga kampiyon. Back to you, Kit.
Ayan, thank you so much for that, April. Yan, napakinggan nga natin dito kay April na talagang mafe-feel natin na talagang finals match na itong ating natutunghayan. So let's see kung makaka-adjust ba dito ang B at makakakuha ng second set to strengthen their campaign dito sa ating Bucal Season 6. And on that last sequence, an attack error coming from Relay. So again, errors. Yan ang dapat bawasan ng dalawang kupunan if they want to stay alive in this set. Rica Huerta to Relay. Ball is still alive. Alzaga to Alamo. Soft touch. And Bailey couldn't contain that one. So point will go on the side of UNC Greyhounds. On deck to serve, we have Relay. Great start on the side of Greyhounds. Operio to Bailey, andon si Kimpo. Underhand set to their team captain. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Alamo will try. Great dig coming from Proa. Pipe attack! And walang kumuha nung pancake save ni Proa. Again, sayang yun on the side of Greyhounds. And speaking of Greyhounds, to hear more about their team, let's call our courtside reporter Zai. Hi Zai, kumusta? Ano ang balita dyan?
Latina, napaka-Latina at sobra-sobrang Latina. Yan ang masasabi ko sa mga nangyayari sa loob ng court, Rick and Tin. Gigil na gigil ang dalawang teams na naglalaban today. The energy is unbeatable. Rinig na rinig ang sigaw ng crowd. Kaya patuloy naman na pinapakita ng Greyhound ang kanilang impressive gameplay. However, may mga areas of improvement tayo like their receptions and especially their decoys. Parang pati sila nalilito kung sino ba ang papalo. But other than that, they're showing a really impressive quick play, targeting down the line. They need to remain consistent at tandaan na itaas ang bola. We're now starting the second set, kaya that's all for now from the side of the Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Ten.
Thank you so much, Zai, for your update. UNC Greyhounds andun pa rin sa kanilang campaign to win this finals against BU Wolves. And as we can see right now, Bailey serving. Proa to attack. One more time for Proa.
Great defense. Another try for Proa. Dug up by Alzaga, and this time Imperial using his height advantage. Talagang nakaibabaw sa bola. Look at this team. Operio, quick hit. And no one gets that ball on the side of Greyhounds. We are all tied up at 6.
Now, let's see here. BU Wolves again kinukuha yung kanilang magandang momentum dito. So, Greyhounds needs to lessen that errors. Free ball bibigay dito sa side ng Greyhounds. Ball goes to Proa. Good save for Wolves. Pero at that point, we'll go on to the side of Greyhounds. Two touches tatawag dito. Now, dikit na dikit pa rin po ang laban ng Greyhounds and BU Wolves. Can we have the same situation on our set number 1 wherein UNC Greyhounds merong dalawa or more than 3 na kalamangan dito, but BU Wolves humabol at nakuha pa yung set number 1. And as we can see right now, we are tied on 7-all. And Balasta to serve.
Again, Balasta with hot hands on the side of BU Wolves. Proa babawi this time and getting a point. It touches the antenna, so automatically the point will be awarded on the side of their team. Again, nakikita natin dito yung magandang atake on the side of UNC Greyhounds. But again, their communication, minsan nararattle sila sa loob ng court. That's why hindi, gaya nga ng sabi ni Zah, hindi alam kung sino ang aatake. And speaking of atake, ang gandang quick hit coming from Imperial. Tusok na tusok. Grabe naman ang lakas ng quick hit na yon coming from Imperial. And a quick shout out din to all our live viewers. Shout out kay Jericho Nazara, Eden Villardo, Tan Galan, Maynard Petrache, Clarence Maneja, Dandel Carbunco, and Saiden Jose Nolong. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Yan, maraming salamat po sa ating mga supporters ng BU and UNC Greyhounds. Now, with that 1-point lead of Greyhounds, they need to maximize all the players, lessen the errors here, and more on the floor defense. Proa.
Alamo. No hesitation kahit may bantay ang net on the other side of things. And successful in that attack. 9-all.
Now, kung kanina sa first set, it was Balasta stepping up for the team. Now, it was Imperial, pero right on that, it was an error coming from him. So, bonus point yung ibibigay niya dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Hindi pa rin nagbibitawan sa puntos itong dalawang kupunan natin. Ampongan.
Ball still alive. Aban setting up Alamo. Soft touch. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Bailey. Nabantayan dito. Antonio with that down the line hit. Si Antonio medyo tahimik para dito sa ating second set, but still getting a point coming from that down the line hit.
Ngayon, bumitaw na yun UNC Greyhounds dito sa kanina pang habulan ng puntos. Ampongan again to serve. No, Perio, sasara para dito kay Alamo.
Great coverage. Alzaga, soft touch, bantay sarado in the middle. What a defense on the side of Greyhounds. Balasta getting that one. UNC Greyhounds on the attack. And sayang yun. On the side of UNC Greyhounds, an attack error was called on the side of their team, courtesy of Rile. But I would like to commend the floor defense for these two teams. Ayaw pala paginti ng bola. Wow.
Grabe. Kitang-kita that they are really determined to win this game. Now,
Rica Huerta, back set to Rile at pinabawi nga dito. This time, successful on that cross-court hit. Alzaga couldn't contain that one.
now even if it is the momentum of UNC Greyhounds, we can still feel that BU Wolves lumalaban talaga dito. Now, let's see. Once again, it is Balasta kicking in that point. Now, let's take a look at it again. Kung paano niya ipinako yung puntos doon.
Grabe. And I believe he's a new player dito sa ating Bucal because last season wala pa itong si Balasta. So good adjustment on his side na magkaroon siya ng ganitong performance at sa finals pa. Meanwhile, another unforced error was called on the side of Greyhounds, and with that substitution para dito sa kanilang kupunan, Rile lalabas muna dito. Pero well, checks in on the side of Greyhounds.
12 all on our scoreboard. Now, Antonio.
Jump set to Balasta. Great dig this time coming from Proa. Medyo dikit lang sa net, pero buhay pa rin ang bola. Barawel will give up a free ball. Operio to Balasta. Andon ang defense on the side of Greyhounds in the middle. Too much angle. Again, an attack error on the side of their team. Good intention though, but hindi dito nakakuha ng touch or ng check itong middle blocker on the side of Greyhounds.
Now, BU Wolves having that point lead. Miscommunication on that side. Antonio to attack.
Alamo with that pickup. UNC back to their team captain. Flying and scoring on the side of their team.
Now, Antonio very consistent talaga para dito sa Greyhounds from the first set up until now. Isa sa mapagkakatiwalaan doon sa mga atake dito sa kanilang kupunan. 13 all again. Antonio serving. Bailey. No anticipation on that side of UNC Greyhounds. Minadali doon at nakakuha pa ng puntos.
This is what I'm talking about kanina pa. If you have a better first ball, everything will follows para dito sa kung sino man sa dalawang kupunan na ito. First ball is very much important when it comes to these volleyball games.
Now Bailey serving.
Rica Huerta to Proa. Babasagin ang net defense on the side of PU. 14 all.
Hanggang ngayon, dikit na dikit pa rin po ang laban natin dito sa ating second set, unlike the first set. Pero, very crucial error para dito kay Rivero. Mabibigyan ng bonus point ang BU Wolves. And now Balasta on that service deck. Almost an ace. Na Proa.
Operio to his middle, Imperial. Alam mo din ang napapansin ko dito on the side of BU Wolves. Their middle blocker is very much activated. And why not kung ganito naman ang performance nitong si Imperial and si Bailey, yung kapalitan niya dito sa ating second set.
Now, Balasta. Serving. 16-14 now.
Rica Huerta to Proa using the hands of the blockers. A much needed side out on the side of UNC Greyhounds. to cut the momentum na hawak ng B-Wolves. And now, on deck to serve, we have Rica Huerta.
16-15.
Operio to Alzaga. And Alzaga crossing violation was called on the side of their team. And with that error, 16 all na po tayo.
A very tight set we have here right now. Imperial once again getting that point. Grabe, kanina pa tong mga medal dito sa side ng B-Wolves. Ang gaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. Now, ano pa kayang gagawin dito para makawala? Because up until now, hindi pa rin natin alam kung sino makakakuha ng ating second set.
Good pick up on the side of UNC. Alzaga will try. Great dig. Now Pro will try with that soft touch. Andon si Operio. Adam setting up and Alamo return to center.
This is the nth time of our deadlock. 17 all. Now jersey number 11. Serving. Now, pasalamatan lang din natin yung mga nanonood po sa atin ng live kay Aji Lorca, kay Aljon Pogoy, kay Saiden Nolong, at kay Myla Barado. Maraming salamat po. Now again, on the deck to serve, Rica Huerta. Or it's jersey number 2 rather.
And Rile successful on that cross-court hit. This time, UNC nakakuha ng magandang atake courtesy of Rile. Proa to serve. Operio setting up Alamo. Great stop there. Rica Huerta to Antonio. Ball is still alive. Alzaga napalakas. Sayang yon on the side of their team. Good intention. Pero napalakas on their side at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang kanilang kupunan because they are down by 2 para dito sa ating second set.
Yes, and of course, very crucial yung mga attack errors dito ng PE Wolves kasi kailangan nilang gawan ng paraan dito. Every opportunity counts para sa kanilang kupunan dito sa dalawang kupunan. Because ngayon, yung may hawak ng 2 puntos na kalamangan is the UNC Greyhounds. So they have an opportunity to snatch this second set. But at the same time, buhay pa rin yung laban. Because BU Wolves lumalaban pa. Maganda yung performance sa pinapakita nila. So, I am sure that there will be another deadlock for this set. Nakailang deadlock na tayo. And we're still determined to see how come the second set will go. 17-19. After the timeout, can BU Wolves get a point here? Or UNC Greyhounds? Sunod-sunod na yung magiging puntos na gagawin nila dito na proa. Ibigay.
May pang bola. Antonio, unfortunately, straight to the net attack. And with that, isang puntos lamang dito ang kalamangan on the side of Greyhounds.
Jersey number 21, 18-19. Antonio, free ball bibigay dito sa Wolves.
Chance on them to tie this matchup, and Alzaga breaks down the wall. 19 all. Again, another deadlock of the match, and UNC Greyhounds pressing the timeout button to clear things up. Because again, nawala na dito yung 2 puntos na iniingatan nila.
Pagkatapos lang nung timeout ng BU Wolves ay nagawa ng paraan para habulan na itay yung kanilang laban dito. And this is what we're talking about. Hindi yun yung last na deadlock para dito sa ating 2 kupunan. So, 19 all. Let's see kung ano pang klaseng performance yung ipapakita dito ng 2 kupunan. Variation of plays, different attacks. But at the same time, hindi pa rin nawawala yung mga errors dito sa 2 kupunan. So nagkakatalo na lang talaga yung 2 kupunan doon sa mga errors na nagagawa nila dito. But at the same time, grabe yung nagiging rally natin dito. Grabe yung performance na pinapakita ng 2 kupunan. Now, jersey number 21.
And this time, great timeout on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Really successful on that cross-court hit. 20-19 is our score. On deck to serve, we have Ampongan.
Pero very crucial error para dito kay Ampongan. Nako, ito yung sinasabi natin. Kapag medyo malapit na tayo doon sa katapusan ng set, andun naman yung mga errors present. Now, to attack back, the blockers of BU Wolves won't let it in.
Grabe na bantayan yung attacking yon on the side of UNC Greyhounds. And with that, abante ng 1 puntos. BU Wolves, Alzaga to serve. Ricahuerta, bibigyan dito si Antonio, and a free ball will be given on the side of BU. Operio to Balasta, and someone on the side of UNC Greyhounds touch the net. 22-20 is our score. At napatawag ulit dito ng timeout ang kanilang kupunan because look at this. 3 more points ulit on the side of BU Wolves to secure their 2nd set win para dito sa ating finals match.
Nako, kailangan siguraduhin ng BU Wolves na if they really want to get the set, dire-diretsuhin nila because as we all know, UNC Greyhounds andyan para lumaban. And sabi nga natin kanina, nagkakatalo na lang tayo doon sa mga errors na nakukommit nitong 2 kupunan. But at the same time, let's commend the kind of performance that they are showing us right now. And also sa mga fans ng BU and UNC na nandito po sa loob ng NCF covered court to support their teams, and also sa ating live audience. Now, as we continue the 2nd set of this final matchup of BU and UNC, let's see if it's BU Wolves getting that 2 straight set or the UNC will snatch it. Speaking of errors, error yung nagawa dito ng BU Wolves, so they are giving 3 points sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Ngayon pa na sila yung lamang dito. Now let's see. Operio sets it up for Balasta. As we're talking about Balasta, hindi pa rin siya tapos dito magpakitang gila sa side ng BU Wolves.
Very much activated and reliable player on the side of BU Wolves. Now, Alamo to serve. Ricahuerta to Antonio. Masyadong dikit sa net. Back to Antonio with that soft touch. Bantay sarado ni Bailey. One more time for Antonio. And this time, nailusot sa blocker. Yung attacking yun. 22-23. Wow. This is what finals looks like.
23-22. Still a tight matchup for this both teams. Now Antonio to serve. Can they tie the game here and make it more crucial for both teams?
Now chance for them to tie this matchup, but Proa rejected at the net. And with that rejection, nasa set point na ang BU Wolves. Double substitution for their side. Espanya ibabalik sa loob together with Imperial.
Nako, isang puntos na lamang for BU Wolves. Can they get it easily? Or UNC Greyhounds will extend the set? Espanya to serve. Let's see.
Ball is still alive. Andon si Kimpo. Now Proa will try. Great up. Balasta naman ngayon. At Balasta winning the second set with that cross-court hit. Two sets na po ang naipapanalo ng BU Wolves. Ano ang magiging sagot dito ng UNC Greyhounds? Yan ang aabangan natin sa pagbabalik only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin.
And we are back for our third set for this final matchup of PU Wolves and UNC Greyhounds. And people, isa na lang po para sa PU Wolves. And they will be the new champion of Bucal Season 6. But let's see if Greyhounds can snatch this set, extend it, and malay nyo, sila pa yung magkampiyon dito. So, bilog ang bola, ang daming pwedeng mangyari. So, at this point of time, UNC Greyhounds needs to focus on lessening their errors and gawin lahat yung 100% nila para sa longlong ito. Now, pero, frustration in the face of Antonio. First point mapupunta doon sa side ng BU Wolves. And good save para dito. Pero hindi na nagawa doon sa pangalawang beses ng UNC Greyhounds. A good start for BU Wolves, mas lalo na ngayon na they are aiming for the championship for this set. So talagang bigay todo. And now, anong gagawin dito ng UNC Koreans? Because they feel pressured right now.
Yes.
Dahil isa na lamang para sa BU Wolves. So kailangan nilang humabol. Pero error din yung nagawa doon sa side ng BU Wolves. At this point of time, sinasabi natin paulit-ulit, no room for errors na para dito sa ating dalawang kupunan. Ngayon pa, lalo na dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds, if they really want to extend it, yung gagawin ng kanilang kupunan para mas mapahaba pa itong ating final series. Pero BU Wolves again snatching that point here. 2 puntos na agad yung kalamangan dito ng BU Wolves. And we can see that UNC Greyhounds is struggling for the start of set number 3. So now, ano yung pinaghandaan, ano yung pagbabago sa gameplay dito ng UNC Greyhounds? And to hear that, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Zay. Hi Zay, anong update natin?
Rick and Tin, grabe, napakaganda nga ng second set ng dalawang kupunan na to. Their plays are really well executed. Samahan mo pa ng stare down. Nitong si jersey number 2 Pro, it's giving power and saying, kaya mo ba yon? But kidding aside, di dapat sila maging complacent, lalo na't handang makisabayan ang Wolves sa kanilang energy. They have to toughen up and remember their goal, which is to deflect and retrieve their loss. This time, they'll do even better. Talagang for the bawi na ang ating mga players, kaya keep on cheering and keep on yelling for the UNC Greyhounds. That's all for now from the side of the UNC Greyhounds. Balik sa inyo, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much for that update, Zai. So yun nga, UNC Greyhounds, they need to step up big time for them to snatch the set number 3. And speaking of step up big time, Ampungan with that powerful quick hit. On deck to serve, we have Ampungan. Pababawiin din dito ang middle blocker on the side of BU Wolves. And to hear more about their side, let's call our courtside reporter, April. Hi April, what's your update there?
Thank you so much, Rick. The second set just ended at siniguro ng BU Wolves that their growl will be loud enough to secure their score. And now it's 2-0, entering third set with grit and determination to end this victoriously. They use their blocking scheme and attacks to secure that kill to keep their team alive. Focus is what they maintained throughout the set, and if they will ace the game is what we are about to witness on the third set. Yan lamang muna ang update from the bench of the BU Wolves. Will they be held as the new champion, and will they be able to get us this time? Keep watching us live here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to you, Rick and Tin.
Thank you so much, April. Ngayon, BU Wolves, we can feel that the set number 3, dire-diretso para sa kanilang kupunan dito. 4 na puntos na kalamangan agad yung pinagtrabaho nila dito. So let's see if this will continue. At ayun na nga po, the UNC Greyhounds struggling to get a point here, struggling with that kind of defense and offense of BU Wolves. Napatawag na nga po sila dito ng timeout. This is the biggest gap that we have right now.
Yes. So far, itong 5 puntos na ito ang pinakamalaki na nakalamangan dito sa ating matchup between these two teams. And now, after this timeout, what would be the adjustment on the side of UNC Greyhounds for them to snatch this set number 3 and prolong this match para magkaroon pa sila dito ng chance to get their championship sa ating Bucal Season 6. Yan ang aabangan natin para sa ating game na ito sa ating set number 3.
Now, 3-8 on our scoreboard.
Another beautiful serve, but the ball or the point will be awarded on the side of BU. Again, nakikita natin dito yung mga strong serves para sa BU Wolves, and we know that sa volleyball, the first offense is the service. That's why porsyento kung porsyento at mabigat ang mga service dito ng BU Wolves. That's why nahihirapang mag-angat ng bola itong ating UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung makakakuha na ba dito ng magandang first ball itong kanilang kupunan.
And we can see the frustrations here sa mga players ng UNC Greyhounds because this is not what they wanted. This is not the game na pinractice nila. So they really want to step up. So let's see kung ganon yung gagawin nila dito as we continue the set number 3 or they will give it all sa BU Wolves. Now, Balasta. Soft touch. Bibigay ngayon. And that's it para dito. Kay Rile. Binawi naman agad. They caught the bleeding on their side. Now, let's see. As Rile to serve.
Operio 1-2 play. And it was successful. May pangbawi naman dito yung BU Wolves. And substitution on the side of BU. Dodds checks in.
Very crucial error para dito kay Bailey. They need this gap. But if they won't work on it, ayun. Now, Pro at the serve here. 5-10. Dodds. Bibigay dito kay Taxon. 2 hands. Now, UNC Greyhounds. Humahabol pa. The game is still alive for their team here.
Great serve, and now chance for the Greyhounds here. Andon si Nerva. Ricahuerta setting up his attacker. Ball still alive. Balasta too strong on that attack. And with that, UNC Greyhounds slowly but surely cooping up para dito sa ating third set. This is a good sign on the side of their team. Unti-unti nilang binubuhay dito yung sistema, yung gameplay para sa kanilang kupunan. Now, Pro to serve. Great dig sana para dito kay Kimpo, but net touch ang itatawag sa kanilang kupunan.
Now, countless of errors dito sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. Dito pa lang sa ating third set alone. Now, what will be the answer here? Anong gagawin? At that point, we'll go out to the side of the Greyhounds. Eight 11. Still a 3-point lead of PU Wolves. Taxon serving. Dodds getting that point. And because of that, babalik po ang team captain ng UNC Greyhounds na si Antonio to bring back the game. And we can hear the cheering of the UNC community inside the NCF covered court. They're really waiting for that comeback of Antonio. And speaking of comeback, it is Antonio turning the table up.
Wow, instant impact para dito kay Antonio, and we know na si Antonio is isa sa mga go-to player on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Talagang poporsyento na dito ang UNC Greyhounds for them to get back their rhythm. Great rejection at the net. Nerva with that soft, or rather 1-2 play, but error on the side of Wolves. 2 puntos na lamang ang hahabulan on the side of UNC Greyhounds, and the cheer talagang binuboost dito yung confidence on the side of Greyhounds. Operio, back set to Alamo, or rather Alzaga, and this time Alzaga breaks down the momentum na hawak dito ng UNC Greyhounds.
Back to 3-point lead ang Wolves dito. And now Rivero will check in exchange of ampongan. The BU Wolves done 13. What will they do to maintain that momentum that they have? Dodd serving. Too much power on that one. Nilagyan nila ulit ng bonus point itong UNC Greyhounds. Now Antonio serving, making things clear up para dito sa UNC Greyhounds. But speaking of error, nako, at this point UNC Greyhounds, dahil sila yung naghahabol dito, kailangan bawasan nila yung kanilang error dito. Most especially this very crucial set for them. That isa na lang para sa BU Wolves, and they will get the championship. Good save para dito sa BU Wolves. Balasta. Now one more time for BU Wolves. Balasta again. Too much angle on that one. At ngayon, yung tinrabaho ng UNC Greyhounds, even though ang daming errors na nagawa dito, 2 puntos na lamang po yung kanilang hinahabol dito. Now let's see if this will continue. Rivero. Combination play. Bumawi agad si Alamo. Now let's take a look at that last sequence as Alamo getting that point. Wow, no room for complacency for this both teams. Let's see. Proa to attack. That's good para dito sa Greyhounds. Outside para doon sa mga blockers ng Wolves. Isa din sa nakakatulong dito sa UNC Greyhounds ay yung cheering ng UNC community. 13-15. Balasta. Grabe. Tumatalon, lumilipad on that side of BU Wolves.
Back to 3-point lead. Now ibabalik dito sa Imperial on the side of BU for some defense and offense. Bailey on deck to serve. Ricahuerta in the middle. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Operio to Imperial, and look at that! Kakapasok pa lang pero sobrang mainit ang kamay para dito sa BU Wolves. On your screen, napangiti pa nga siya dito sa attacking yon.
Now, BU Wolves with that 4-point lead. Hindi pa rin nila pinapakawalan yung malaking kalamangan dito. But Pro with that stare down. Like, girl, Buhay pa po yung laban.
Yes.
UNC still fighting for his spot. 14-17.
And sometimes, yung mga swags na yon talagang doon din bumubunot ng confidence itong ating mga players. And of course, to show their enjoyment para sa kanilang mga nagiging point conversion. Now, Proa to serve. 1-2 play. And Operio din with that stare down.
Balitan na para dito sa ating dalawang koponan. But before anything else, we would like to shout out our live viewers, Chanshire Nicolas, Mario Villanueva, Hermes Savio, Lawrence Ovido, John Kenneth Nacional na nagpapashoutout po kay Alangelo Alzaga. Maraming salamat po.
Espanya to serve. Rica Huerta, back set to jersey number 10. Great dig coming from Nerva. Free ball will be given on the side of their team. Antonio this time. And they're clarifying things here. Let's see kung meron nga bang check at meron nga. Check ball ang itatawag on that last sequence.
Now 15-18. Texon to serve. Ilang puntos na lamang para sa BU Wolves. And UNC Rayons back-to-back point for their team.
Ayan, 2 puntos na lamang ang hahabulin ng Greyhounds for them to tie this set number 3. And Alzaga naman ngayon babawi with that last error.
Ngayon, Aponga will be checking in again for UNC Greyhounds. While on the other side, bagong pasok, Bayabare. Ngayon, titira natin kung itong mga pumasok na players dito, they can contribute well for their team. 16-19, BU Wolves just down to 6 points and getting that championship win. Denied on the net itong si Antonio by that monster blockers from the side of BU Wolves.
And wow, tignan mo kung sinong nakablock dito. Ang bagong pasok pa lamang on their side.
Bayabare. Talagang
wow, instant impact. Everyone is contributing on the side of BU Wolves. 1-2 play, andon si Nerva. Miscommunication between the players on the side of Wolves.
Game still on for UNC Greyhounds. All they need to do is no error at this point.
Yes.
Bantayan yung mga atake dito ng BU Wolves. Another error para dito. Bayabare. 18-20. Can UNC Greyhounds tie the game for our third set? Let's see. Let's find out. Pare-pareho tayo nagkahantay kung ano bang magiging kapalaran ng dalawang kupunan na ito. And Imperial, bumawi agad. Kinuha niya mali yung puntos na yun against UNC Greyhounds. They are just 4 points away
on winning the championship para dito sa Bucal Season 6. Now, Imperial to serve. Rica Huerta setting up Rile, and this time Rile successful on that cross-court hit. Ngayon, nabanggit mo kanina, Tina, bawal nang magkaroon ng error dito ang side ng UNC Greyhounds. Let's see kung may iwasan nila mag-commit ng errors as Antonio will serve that ball. Operio, back set to Balyabare. And ang hulog, successful on that last one. Look at this. UNC Greyhound expecting for some explosive attack, but it turns out na ihuhulog lang dito ni Balyabare yung bolang yon at mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang side ng Greyhounds because again, BU Wolves 3 more points on winning the championship para dito sa Bucal Season 6.
But let's see, because the game is still on. UNC Greyhounds still have an opportunity here to get close to that point of BU Wolves. So there's still a lot of possibilities that can happen right now.
And a quick shout out din sa ating mga viewers. Shout out po kay Lawrence Obido, John Kenneth National, Aleja Meiji Balderrama at kay CJ Pasahol. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now, UNC Greyhounds needs to focus, lessen that error. Now let's see. Monster blockers from the side of BU Wolves, but it is for the UNC 2022. Such a close and intense matchup we have here right now.
Not yet over on the side of UNC Greyhounds because 2 puntos lamang dito ang kanilang hinahabol. And Espana with that error. With that error, UNC Greyhounds, 1 puntos na lamang ang hahabulin to tie this matchup.
This is what we're talking about. Bilog ang bola. Ang daming possibility na pwedeng mangyari. So, UNC Greyhounds, kailangan na lang nilang i-execute ng tama itong susunod na mga plays. But Balyabare is... Wow. Bagong pasok. He is a revelation for the side of BU Wolves. And look at that. Them celebrating every point they get. It is very important for their team. Now jersey number 2 on the side of BU Wolves. Bagong pasok din. How can he contribute with his remaining points of BU Wolves?
Proa getting a point on that last attack. Let's take a look one more time sa ating instant replay. Proa successful on that last hit. And now Rile to serve. Ball is still alive though. But BU Wolves successful on that last attempt. Jersey number 2.
It is Riva. Bagong pasok dito sa BU Wolves. And lahat talaga sila dito may ambag para sa kanilang koponan.
And look at our score. 24-22. BU Wolves now at match point. And a substitution on the side of their team.
Yes.
Loyola checks in.
Championship point for BU Wolves. And they are shouting isa na lang. No, I think they have a rotational violation. So that point will automatically go on the side of UNC Greyhounds. To 23-24. But still, players from the side of BU Wolves. Conversation with our first referee. Now, very crucial for UNC Greyhounds. They need to get this point to extend the third set or else it is PU Wolves with his championship point.
Loyola, nabantayan doon. Block by Espana. Antonio will try and Antonio will extend this set number 3. We are all tied up at 24. Wow.
We can hear the cheer inside the NCF forward court. We can still feel the intensity. Lahat kinakabahan dito. We are extending the third set up to 26. Can UNC still hold on? At that point, we'll go on to the side of the Greyhounds. Ayun, napatawag agad ng timeout itong PU Wolves. Kasi kung kanina, Rick, as we can see, grabe. 5 puntos sa kalamangan ng PU Wolves, hinabol ng UNC Greyhounds. And now, having that 1-point lead at 1 puntos na lamang. And then we can get on that set number 4, extending the series. And we don't know what will happen next. Because at this point, UNC Greyhounds is now on their momentum. They really want to get this win. And on the other side, it is PU Wolves. Championship point. So what will happen? The next thing that will happen will surely be remarkable. Because it's a win-win situation here. Let's see. If UNC Greyhounds can get this point, then we will be having a set number 4. But if it's PU Wolves that can get this point, then they are now the champions of Bucal Season 6.
And rejection at the net. We are going to set number 4. Let's take a look one more time on our instant replay. Imperial rejected at the net by Antonio. Kumapit ang UNC Greyhounds. Babalikan po natin itong intense matchup only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more.
And we are back again, everyone, for the fourth set of this knockout game of our finals men's volleyball of PU Wolves and UNC Greyhounds. And what an intense third set we've watched. Dahil po, kung kanina nga po nakita na natin na konti na lamang para sa PU Wolves. They have a big gap there. Pero hinabol ng UNC Greyhounds, nilaban up until the end, and they snatched that set. So we are extending up until the set number 4. But let's see if hanggang set number 5 to or PU Wolves will end it right now. Now, UNC Greyhounds, ball sa live Proa, cutting the first point for the Greyhounds side. Ngayon, buhay na buhay yung UNC Greyhounds compared to our set number 3. Yung pagsimula ng ating set number 3, medyo magulo doon sa side ng UNC Greyhounds. But now, it is very different kasi andoon pa, buhay pa yung kanilang laban dito. Now, let's see. Operio, 1-2 play. UNC Greyhounds, pambawi ang pongan. 2-0, nothing run. Ngayon, Greyhounds, buhay na buhay. They are fighting with the whole UNC community inside the court and even sa mga nanonood po sa atin ng live. Let's see. Operio sets it up. At another point for UNC Greyhounds. What a change of momentum we're seeing right now. Grabe. This is really what final looks like. UNC fighting 3-0, nothing run. Biggest gap for our fourth set. Now Operio, once again, deflected with the blockers of the Greyhounds. What a good way to set your momentum right now. And UNC Greyhounds doing that effortless.
But this time, service error on the side of their team. 1-4 is our score. Again, nabanggit mo nga dito kanina, Tina, buhay na itong UNC Greyhounds. So let's see kung mag-extend pa ba tayo into fifth set or will the Bicol University Wolves end this match? Rile, denied at the net. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Back to him. And successful in the second try.
Now let's take a look at that last sequence. The connection of UNC Greyhounds is very visible right now. Talagang they keep doing well for the set. 1-5. Soft touch. Ball is still alive. Good coverage. But that point will go on to the side of BU Wolves as it is 4 touches. Now let's see here. Can BU Wolves do everything here?
So the point is awarded on the side of BU. Proa setting up Antonio. Too tight at that net. Alzaga will try. Great dig coming from Kimpo. Pero nahirapang ba itaas yung second ball na yon on the side of their team. And to hear an update on the side of Bicol University Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter April. Hi April, anong update natin dyan?
Thank you so much, Rick and Tina. We are still live here for the Bucal Season 6 Men's Volleyball Tournament. That was close. They were almost there. Everybody was tense and that was the moment na talagang pinagpawisan ng lahat as the score hit 26. UNC Greyhounds got their first win on the third set but fourth will definitely be the moment for the BU Wolves. Isa na lang, isa pa, walang kukurap as we witness this breathtaking set. This is again your courtside reporter April Bilano-Camo from the bench of BU Wolves. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, April. BU Wolves still fighting for this fourth set. At doon nga po sa ating last sequence, natawagan ng yellow card dito ang isa sa mga players ng UNC Greyhounds. 4-5. Now, it is just a point lead for UNC Greyhounds. Imperial with that strong attack, and it is still in. Tying the game by 5-all. What a great run for BU Wolves.
Again, on your screen, we have Imperial on the side of BU Wolves serving the ball on their side. But this time, service error on the side of their team. And to know more about the UNC Greyhounds, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi Zai, kumusta? What's your update?
What an astonishing turn of performance, Rick and Tin. Kapit na kapit ang ating Greyhounds earlier. That's why they are back on track. They were able to turn the game around even during the most difficult time. Dikit na dikit ang laban. Kung gusto pa ulit nila bumawi sa susunod na set, they have to start a calmer approach. They were dancing on the hanging thread kanina, kaya I know for a fact that they'll be able to keep this momentum going. So shout your loudest scream and type your greatest bet, because this is Bicol University's Athletic League Season 6, where future rise. That's all from the side of the Greyhounds. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Azai. UNC Greyhounds still fighting for it, because they still want to extend it up until the set number 5. And now, they have a point gap here against the BU Wolves. Now let's see here. Perio sets it up! Tinamaan pa dito. Cirile Ed Alavo. Good sportsmanship on that last sequence.
Look at that, buelong-buelo with that decoy play. Itong si Alamo. 7-all. What would be the answer on the side of Greyhounds? And Bailey successful on that last hit.
Grabe. Walang dapat kumawala doon. Dahil nga, every point is important for both teams. Now let's see here. Antonio, free ball na bibigay dito sa Wolves. Once you play.
Ball is still alive though. Proa will give up a free ball. Nerva, Operio, to Balasta with that soft touch. Finding that donut hole on the side of UNC Greyhounds. And with that, Mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang side ng UNC Greyhounds.
I think they're expecting Balasta with a strong attack. But Balasta gave a soft touch there. Kaya naman talagang nalito yung mga players dito ng UNC Greyhounds. And here are some of the game highlights for our fourth set. And kung kanina, it is UNC Greyhounds having that 4-point lead against BU Wolves. But now, as we can see, it is BU Wolves with 2-point gap here. And after this timeout, what will UNC do? Dahil it is a good run for BU Wolves. And grabe, yung changes dito ng mga plays ng kanilang mga players. It's hard to read. So now as we continue this set, how will this unfold? Running attack from Texon, but it is outside. Giving an opportunity for BU Wolves to still widen that gap. 10-7. It's funny how the audience reacts now. Now, first referee is calling for our team captains. Ten, 7. No, I think the referee is concerned about the cheering here of our audience inside the court.
And this time, makakabawi naman dito ang kupunan ng UNC Greyhounds. 10-8 is our score. And kitang-kita on that last replay, si Rivero successful on that quick hit.
Antonio serving. Hindi ka na para dito sa BU Wolves.
Balasta. Check at the net. Back-to-back points for Rivero on that last sequence. Look at that single man block.
Antonio to tie the game here for this play. Balasta one more time. Binawi agad dito. At hindi sila hahayaan o hindi nila hahayaan na makalapit sa puntos or even tie the game here. But let's see. Ganun pa rin yung gagawin nila as we continue the set number 4. Now Bailey serving.
Too tight at the net. Operio with his own version. Back to BU Wolves. 1-2 play andon si Proa. Proa will try. Napalakas yung attacking yun ni Proa. Crucial error on the side of their team. Now, Bailey to serve. At magkakaroon niya dito ng substitution ang side ng UNC Greyhounds.
Now Quinto enters the UNC. And that point will be on the side of BU Wolves after that net violation committed by the side of the Greyhounds. And at this point, it is a 4-point lead for BU Wolves.
In the middle, Rivero. Binubuhat dito yung kanyang team. And the celebration though to uplift the other players on the side of UNC. Ball still alive. Quinto will try with that soft touch and successful. Walang kumuha on the side of Wolves.
Grabe yung mga pangyayari dito. Sa loob ng NCF covered court. Combination play and Balasta getting that point.
The power, the elevation, on point para dito kay Balasta. And on your screen, Balasta to serve. Combination play, Quinto. Andon si Antonio, 1-2 play. Alamo gets that one. And this time, Alzaga. Buhay pa rin ang bola, Quinto. Andon si Nerva. And buhay pa rin ang bola para dito sa ating laro. Soft touch. Back set to Alzaga. And Alzaga, using the hands of the blocker. (15-11) is our score.
Now 4-point lead of Wolves. Balasta serving. The BU Wolves attack. Well, still alive here. Proa naman ngayon. Good take coming from Kimpo.
Long rally alert, but hindi tumigil dito si Pro hanggat hindi nakakakuha ng puntos. Look at that.
Now UNC Greyhounds still finding a spot here. Saga one more time. Like I was saying, that BU Wolves is here to fight. Now, Operio serving, 16-12. But that will be a 4 touches para dito kay Proa. Back to 5-point lead. Now, they need the cheering of UNC community at this moment because BU Wolves is just 8 points away on getting the championship. Alam mo, may gigil pa doon. Now an opportunity for BU Wolves, but denied by Ampongan. Look at that. Single block para dito kay Ampongan against Imperial.
Nice block coming from Ampongan, and shout out kay Angela Ampongan and Mila Carillo Ampongan for watching our finals match between these two great teams.
Now Pro was serving.
Free ball. Chance for the UNC Greyhounds to score. Alamo gets that one. Operio, one-hand set to Imperial at pinabawi dito. Itong si Imperial. Wow. And now on deck to serve, we have jersey number 21 on the side of Wolves.
Very crucial error para dito sa side ng BU Wolves. At this point, no room for errors para sa kanilang kupunan. Because this is like what happened during the third set wherein BU Wolves merong 5 puntos na kalamangan pero nahabol ng UNC Greyhounds. So they need to focus now. (19-14), 6 na puntos na lamang po for BU Wolves. Let's see.
Antonio with that powerful cross-court hit. Nerva couldn't contain that one.
Like he is telling everyone the side of BU that this game hindi pa po tapos.
Yes, it's not yet over though on the side of UNC Greyhounds. Balasta, soft touch, and again, Balasta. One of the most reliable players sa BU at this moment.
Yes, hindi alam kung kailan aatake ng malakas, kailan magkakaroon ng soft touch. Kaya litong-lito yung mga players dito ng UNC Greyhounds. Ganda ng variety of plays dito ni Balasta. Now, 2015.
Antonio will try. Soft touch. Great pancake save by Balasta. Aatake ngayon. Andon si Rivero. Nerva. Setting up Alzaga. Great dig coming from the Greyhound side. Antonio this time finding that corner. Finding that down the line para sa kanilang kupunan. 4 na puntos lamang ang hahabulin to tie this matchup on the side of their team. Meanwhile, 5 more points on the side of BU Wolves to get their championship dito sa Bucal Season 6.
Now Antonio. That service deck. Very crucial error. Now we're seeing Espana again. Espana checking in and Imperial back on the court. Espana to serve. Be happy. Espana, we're watching right now. Ganda din yung vibes ni Espana sa loob ng court because she's always smiling. Now Espana.
Proa will attack. Proa will score. But Rivero with that service error. Crucial, a very crucial error on the side of their team. Because again, tinutulungan nila dito ang UNC Greyhounds. Or rather, BU Wolves na magkaroon ng championship point.
Nawampongan, denied by the blockers of BU Wolves. And as of this moment, 2 puntos na lamang ang BU Wolves on getting that championship. (23-17).
And mag-shoutout naman tayo sa ating mga live viewers dito sa match na ito. Shout out kay Janjan Basales, James and Brenya, James Gabarda, kay Brian Tosok, kay Cristina Valenzuela. Thank you so much and happy watching.
Now, 23-17.
And of course, shoutout din kay Kim Monteroso na nakatutok dito sa atin live na live.
Now Balasta to serve. 2 more points on getting that championship. Ampongan! Outside yung sa kanyang huling atake. So BU Wolves is on their championship point. Looks like this is it. But ball So around here, ang daming pwedeng mangyari. Proa! They get it! The game is still alive here. 24-18. There's still a lot of opportunities for UNC Greyhounds. Rico Huerta, or Riri rather, checking in. Now, Rico Huerta serving. A very crucial error for UNC Greyhounds. And with that, napangalanan na po natin ang bagong kampyon ng Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League, none other than the Bicol University Wolves. What a good matchup we've seen today, and how they fought up until the end. But still, let's commend the performance of UNC Greyhounds for giving us a good matchup this afternoon. They are still the first runner-up of our season. And PU Wolves, pinaghandaan, nagbigay na magandang laban, intensity kung intensity. Yan po ang ating napanood ngayong hapon na ito. And in just a few minutes, makikilala na natin ating best player of the game and the MVP of the season of Bucal for our men's volleyball. Huwag po kayong alas, magbabalik po kami dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ako si Jericho Rosales, sarong aktor, kasurog kang kalikasan, Oragon, Bicolano. Ang boto ko, ako Bicol. Ako Bicol, 131 sa balota.
Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
At the heart of every dreamer lies the future of limitless possibilities.
At Naga College Foundation, we understand the journey. With proper guidance, inclusive community, and state-of-the-art facilities, your dreams can become a reality. We are a training ground for future innovators, where quality education continues to thrive and service meets excellence. We develop students for more than a career. We equip them with the right skills and attitude to leap into a future of limitless possibilities. Your future is waiting. All you have to do is to begin. Meet your future self and choose NCF.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Accountancy and Finance, where we don't just educate, we elevate. Our college combines excellence with innovation. We aspire to provide you with the competencies and expertise required for success in the ever-changing finance world. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, our students learn hands-on with industry-standard software. Our program also offers high-quality facility. Discover your path to success in accountancy and finance at Naga College Foundation Incorporated. Be a certified CAF Tiger.
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge, practical skills, and experience to prepare them for the challenges of the global marketplace. Our dedicated faculty members are industry experts and are committed to hone future entrepreneurs, marketing professionals, and business leaders. Begin your quest towards a successful career in business at NCF College of Business and Management. Enroll now and be a certified business-minded tiger.
The champions of our men's volleyball for Bicol Universities and Colleges Athletic League is none other than the Bicol University. But at the same time, congratulations for University of Nueva Cáceres for giving us a good fight for our finals this afternoon.
And congratulations again to Bicol University Wolves for winning the championship title dito sa Bucal Season 6. Kudos to all the players na naglaro dito sa Bucal Season 6 men's volleyball. So maya-maya after this, matutunghayan natin ang game number 3 ng ating women's division. It's between the UNC Greyhounds versus the NCF Tigers. And don't go away because after all of that, magkakaroon po tayo ng awarding ceremonies. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan po ang lahat ng pangyayaring yan dito lang yan sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.